Hi guys, this is Rim. Today we're on the way to Bear Beach for camping. Bear Beach is part of the Wonderful Trail in Pacific Rim National Park, known for its rugged coast and forest, popular for camping. Are you ready? Don't forget to hit like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So, to get to our campsite, we had to through this forest, but we totally took the wrong way and lost until Wednesday sunset. We started freaking out because we needed to get to campsite and set up our tent before it got dark. I even fell into some pits along the way. It was a mess. But we decided to just roll with it and enjoy the adventure. It should be part of the special fun camping experience. Actually, it was my first camping in Canada and pretty different that I experienced ever. It was more wilder, more adventurous and interesting for me.
You guys are making like a beef soup?
Yeah, but we didn't bring salt pepper.
Oh no. You had a fun time coming in, eh?
Yeah, oh my god. There are times where we're like, should you just slide down this cliff?
Yeah, it's so hard to tell though.
Yeah, we just put beer and salt water.
Like honestly, yeah, like just like a layer.
Stir them a little bit, you know?
What you gonna make?
We were making beef stew for some sourdough bread. We got ocean water right here.
Oh, wow, it's your special ingredient.
It would not be good. I'd do middle, and then you can just lie back.
Dude, you're gonna have a wild dream.
Because you're on the mattress, so it's like you're on a cloud.
Because it thickens the soup.
Wow.
All that salt water before. I'm like eating crab. Wait, what's wrong with this bread? Oh wait. Oh no, it's being toasted. Okay. It's Let's go. Yeah, let's roll now.
Tiny crab.
Oh yeah. Like who would think that this tastes good? Probably.
Wow.
What's that? That's quite cute. Try it.
Hello.
Oh no!
Bye. Light and dark. Which one?
Really busy. Before going back, we went to a cafe for lunch. They sell good treats. Also, you can meet cute dogs too. We ordered a veggie sandwich with zucchini and eggplant and corn chowder soup. The corn chowder soup with cilantro was crazy.
Understand how
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!